Here's how to turn off contacts on Instagram. Now, if you no longer want Instagram to have access to your entire contacts list on your iPhone, Android, whatever it may be, you can always disconnect it or turn it off. I'll show you how to do it. So let's hop into Instagram. We're going to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right now. Let's tap on those three lines at the top right. And let's get into settings and privacy at the top. Now you can see at the top is Account Center. Let's tap on that. And you can see towards the bit, middle bottom, here is your information and permissions. Let's tap on that, and now, finally, we're in the Upload Contacts. Let's tap on that. And of course, this is for Instagram, so let's choose the Instagram at the bottom. Now, finally, we're on here. All you have to do is toggle this off, and it says, do you want to disconnect or turn off your contacts? Saying your contacts helps you find friends, blah, 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 and just hit disconnect here, and basically it will no longer be able to access any of your contacts to be able to suggest mutual friends, various friends that you should connect with, all of that stuff. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.